Good morning, student. This is your computer teacher Nagendra Kumar. I hope you all are fine at your home. In last two videos, I had discussed how to draw K-map for 2, 3 and 4 variable Boolean function and how to reduce mean term expression of pair, quad and octet for SOP. Now, finally, I am going to discuss derivation of SOP expression using K-map. Now, let's start with rules for SOP reduction using K-map. The first rule, prepare the truth table for given function. First, we have to prepare truth table. After that, draw an empty K-map for given function. For example, for two variable K-map, you have to draw two variable K-map. For three variable function, we have to draw three variable K-map, and for four variable K-map, four variable function, we have to draw four variable K-map, and so on. Now, third step is fill the cell with the value 1 for which the output is 1. Now, fill the rest of the cell with value 0. After that, encircle adjacent ones in the form of octet, quad and then pair. First we make the octet, then quad, then pair. Do not forget to roll the map and overlap. Mapping an overlapping group is also required. And the sixth one, remove the redundant group if any. And the last one, write the final reduced expression for all the groups and or then. This will give final SOP expression. Now, take an example. My question is reduce if wxyz is equal to summation 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 10, 15 using K-map. Here position 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 10, 15 is given in your question to mark 1. So answer. Solution. Since function f has 4 variables, so we will create 4 variable K-map having 2 to the power 4, that is 16 cell or square. See, this is the K-map of 4 variable. Keep one thing, when we marking the cell, we start from 0, 1, 3, 2, then 4, 5, 7, 6, then 12, 13, 15, 14, and the last row is 8, 9, 11, 10. One thing you also keep in your mind, we start the row with W complement X complement, then W complement X, then WX, and the last one is Wx complement. In column wise, we start with Y complement, Z complement, second one is the Y complement Z, third one is YZ, and the last column is YZ complement. Now, fill the cell marked with subscript 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 10 and 15 with value 1 and fill rest of the cell with value 0. See the K-map. Now, we will mark the octet, quad and pairs. We are starting marking the group. Looking at the K-map, we can tell that there is no octet. So, we will look for now quad. The K-map has quad. So, we will mark it here M0, M1, M4, M5 marked as a quad. Now, we look for the pair. We got two pairs here, that is M5 and M7, and another one is M7 and M15. Here I marked pair by sharing 1 also. Now we go for map rolling. First we will map roll and look for the octet. If you look at the K-map, we don't get any octet. So we will now check for quads. But once again, we don't get any quad. So now we look for pair. After map rolling, the K-map, we have a pair. So we'll mark it. So our new pair is M2 and M10. Now we will check for the redundant groups. Here pair M5 and M7. See in the K-map, pair M5 and M7 is redundant group because it's all one is shared by other groups. So we remove this group. So our final K-map is in the right side. Now we will write the marked group first and then find the reduced expression. So our marked groups are quad is M0, M1, M4 and M5, and the first pair is M7 and M15 and second pair is M2 and M10. Now we reduce the expression of each group. So for the quad, see this quad expression here, Z and X is changed. Z bar, Z is and Z bar is changed and X and X bar is changed. So we remove X and Z. So our final expression for quad is W complement and Y complement. Now come to the first pair, M7 and M15. Here W bar changed to W. So we remove W and our final min-term expression is X, Y and Z. In second pair M2 and M10, again W and W bar is changed. So we remove this W variable and the final min-term expression is X bar, Y, Z bar. Now we OR means plus the result to get the final reduced expression. We plus all the min-term expression of the pairs and the final expression F is equal to W complement Y complement plus X, Y, Z plus X complement Y, Z complement. This is the required answer. So student, this is very important topic for your board examination. One complete question of 5 marks based on this topic in your board examination. So solve some more question from your book. So student, that's all for today. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.